Hey y'all. Hey y'all, I'm David. Got Angie behind the camera, got Maggie doing what Maggie does.
Maggie stuff.
Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel.
So what we are doing is we're really a day late, so this, I don't know what we're gonna find when we open this up. May have chicks already hatched. We do.
Oh no, they're going everywhere.
Oh man. Alright, get the brooder thing here.
Brooder thing. Maggie, no. Little pharaohs. Or they all act like they got the splint leg. That ain't good.
No, that ain't good at all.
None of them can get up on their 2 feet.
Huh? That didn't go well planned.
No. No.
Not as planned at all. Alright, looks like we did have one of these hatch.
Yeah, I seen it somewhere. This one that's hanging between the thing there, it looks like it's dead.
Some of them are stuck to the thing.
That ain't good.
I know.
We're gonna have our work cut out for us. Every one of these have got the splint leg. There's one that's up on its feet. Whoa! You're about to fall off the bed.
I wonder if I'll just go ahead and put them in the incubator over here. I guess better get it going, hadn't I?
Yeah, I think I would.
You turn it on. I think we definitely had a good hatch rate. You?
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Oh, he's still alive. Healthy he is. He's still kicking. I'll get another basket over there. You can do 2 baskets. You know what?
Where's those little correctors? I think we're going to have them.
No, we'll wait till tomorrow.
Yeah, because some of them seems to be getting up on their feet a little bit, but I don't know. You don't want to wait long.
No. Okay, keep an eye on them there. I'm going everywhere.
I know it. Little critters.
I said yesterday we got busy that we really needed to That's a Texas, one of them Texas A&M's there.
Little things are mean. Yeah, that brooder, it definitely needs to be cleaned up before you stick them in there. I think I'd use that little one if you could. That big one, they just kind of get lost in it.
Oh, that, yeah. big bird day. We got some bird sobes that we got to. Well, what? I mean, we feed them the right food. I don't know why we keep having so many of these.
I need to shut that thing.
Yeah. Well, I'm about to put them back in there.
Oh, you gonna put it back in there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put them back in there right now. I've got to get that warmed up.
David's a little helper right there.
I don't know if we'll put the rest of the eggs in. I'd like to hatch these though. I'll just put them in the bottom down here and see if they'll hatch. The other ones I don't care really anything about hatching them. Anything to that one?
You.
I don't believe it's gonna hatch you.
No. The yolks come out of it.
Okie doke. Next thing we gotta do is get 10 to 15 of these out and sell them. Which ones you want to sell, Angie? I mean,
They're all big.
That's all your lavenders, so you don't want to sell none of them, do you? They're not going to go in that box. You know?
What box?
That box there.
This one. I think that's the one we got for it, wasn't it?
This one died.
No, it cut out.
Where's it at?
I put it back in here. I figured we felt good enough to get
How
out.
many you reckon you get in here? I mean, that ain't no bigger than that. It's just taller.
Let me look at them. Man, I'd like to keep some turtnecks, but I don't want to keep all of them. That ain't a turtneck.
It's a Brahma. Take it.
I don't know. I kind of like to keep the Brahmas.
Well, really, we don't have any to sell then. Really. You know?
Just get them out where I can see them, and then I'll pick the ones out I want to keep. I don't want to keep all of them, but I mean, I'd like to keep. What is that? It must have been a nail in my shoe.
That's a Brahma. You think that's gonna be a white Brahma or?
Yeah, it's gonna be a white Brahma. Just put him in there, and we'll take out the ones I don't want to keep.
Stop.
Maggie, stop! What part of that do you not understand, young lady? Stop!
Okay, everybody. What we're doing, we're going through here and picking out the chickens that we was going to sell. We ended up doing pretty good selling the chickens to a friend of mine. He owns a feed store, and basically we was able to get 20 50-pound bags of feed out of the deal. We not just out of these chickens, but we'd taken like 20 turkeys earlier, probably about 2 weeks ago. Took him about 20 turkeys. Took him another 20 chickens, and then this is what we had left. We ended up, I think, with 14 of them left. So we took those. We still got probably what we've hatched. I'm going to say we've got probably somewhere in the neighborhood of, it's probably at least 30 left. So we had a good hatching on that last hatching. And Brittany, our daughter, as you remember, she hatched some of those that's coming out of that top brooder. And that's some of them that she hatched. So, yeah, had a pretty good hatching. And that you know, if you can get, I'm going to show you me unloading the feed here in just a little bit. But if you can get some payback when you're messing with the farm, that's pretty good. You know, you eventually want to make a profit with it, but that's our goal, is to turn around and make a profit, some kind of a profit with it. But it's always good just to, break even at some point. And so I'm going to show you next thing is going to be here in just a little bit is unloading the feed.
Yeah. That would be good. I'm having to fight Maggie right now. She being Maggie. I don't know. These probably about 10 apiece. They're pretty good chickens. Chicks. They're still chicks. I might later. Yeah. Get you a. That's a pretty one.
That's good for it. Yeah, put him in here. Well, yeah, go in there. Look at him.
Yeah, you need pretty good size. Yeah. Okay, man. Y'all be careful. Appreciate it, Lonnie. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.
That's a turkey. That's a turkey. You getting rid of the turkeys?
No, that's a
turkey
neck.
Okay. There's still 2 turkeys. There's turkeys in there.
Yeah. There's one turkey, and there's supposed to be that right there's the brown.
There's 2 turkeys in there. Oh, hey.
What is that? That's a chicken, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely a chicken, honey.
That's a turkey there.
That's a turkey, yeah.
This turkeys.
Those are all keepers, aren't they? Lavenders and turkeys.
Put him up there.
I think he said he's going to keep all the black ones.
Hey, stop.
I probably won't keep it about 2 turkey necks.
There was only one turkey. I thought there was.
There was 2. You just put them up there.
No,
down there.
there was just one turkey. Alright, there they are.
Alright.
But ones you're going to keep, I would put up here at the top.
What's on the bottom?
That's all red stars on the bottom.
I don't want to be.
Alright, y'all. We're going to go through these and see what we're going to keep and what we're going to get rid of, okay? Okay, y'all. What am I about to do? We made a feed run. About 1,400 pounds of feed in here. So we got to get it unloaded and get it in there. So, whew, quite a bit of feed to unload, y'all. So we'll set y'all up here. Probably put some of this on fast motion. Alright, y'all. That gets about 1,400 pounds of feed unloaded. Whew. So I got 107 poults on that. I believe it. Right there she is. There's Taylor. Oh me. Got one bag busted. I'm gonna have to use it next. I'm gonna take all that stuff out there and throw it away. So, whew, gotta take this down to the house. And I tell you what, y'all, that wraps this one up. Hope everybody enjoyed it. A little bit late here on Thursday getting it out, but Angie and I had a lot going on yesterday, so I didn't get to do anything yesterday. Didn't have any footage done. But again, y'all, appreciate each and every one of you watching the videos. Can't thank you enough for that. If you hadn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. We appreciate that, y'all. And comment if you got any comments about it. And again, y'all, as I always say here on the Vista Acres, thank you for watching.